Hey everybody, it is Jeff Kasmer, and very excited to do another video. It's been a couple weeks, and of course every single video I start out saying I got another topic, I got another topic, I got another topic. And so I'm trying to do a better job of recording videos, especially because I'm getting many emails and contacts to do more on specific subjects. So let me get the basic particulars out of the way. I've been in business online for 18 years making money, and I have tried tons of different products and affiliate programs and network marketing, etc. Some have worked, some haven't, but for 18 straight years I've made money online. For the past year, I've been involved with a company called IMarketsLive and trading Forex, and I also do the network marketing opportunity by helping people get on board to help change their lives. So if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, there's a subscribe button right there. If you want to get on board, you need to reach me through here. There's a link to get to subscribe to my newsletter. Below this box where the video is, more information about me and what I'm involved in. But as I said in my last video, this is by far the best company I've ever been in. So we are part of the #1 team in the company. So if you want that extra support and mentorship that we can provide, then please come on board. The best way to do it is I can give you a free look inside of our Facebook group. And all you have to do is reach me on Facebook, Jeff Kasmer. As you can see, I'm a big Blackhawks fan. And reach me, send me a friend request, and then I will get you inside our group. And there's no obligation. Our group has customers and prospective customers on it, okay? So you don't have to do anything. Just come in, send me a friend request. I will get you inside. You can watch some videos, and you can learn more about what we do. We have it's just a fantastic program. A couple apps on our phone called the Swipe Trades app and the Swipe Coin that give us trades from 7-figure earners to make money every single day. Swipe Trades is obviously during the week, 5 days a week. Swipe Coin, which is cryptocurrency, trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So it's by far the best decision that I have ever made, and I am trying to help change other people's lives as well. So one of the questions that I get, and why I've been meaning to do this video for a while, is, okay, I get inside the group, I love it, the mentoringship, the teaching, the techniques, the strategies, because we give you more strategies to trade Forex. Even though inside IML it's absolutely the fantastic resource, we actually give you more, okay, being part of our team. How much does it cost? Okay, well, the first mentality, first approach you have to have is you are investing in yourself. Now, you probably heard that before, probably 100 times on videos and ads and stuff like that. Yeah, because it's true, okay? People, you have to invest in yourself. Nobody's going to give you something for free. You have to earn it, okay? And there's a cost for a service, okay? So people will spend $1,000 on a program, but might spend $10 on a program, but won't spend a couple $100 on a program. It's really, really interesting and fascinating. So anyway, a lot of questions I get: how much does it cost? How much does it cost? What do I need to start with? So I'm going to tell you what you need to start with, okay? So let me kind of minimize this and get rid of my page. Let's go to the IML website. Now, the first thing about IML is somebody has to bring you in, okay? You cannot just go to the basic URL and sign up. A sponsor has to bring you in, okay? What better sponsor than me? I will get you inside. We have the #1 team in the company, and some of our mentors are absolutely killing it on trading. What we provide over other specific people that you might sponsor is just one-on-one training. We're in a group of a couple thousand, and it's a Facebook group, and we just help each other. We just find ways to help each other if there's stumbling blocks, right? So if you go to a sponsor, and let's say that sponsor's in Great Britain, or let's say I'm your sponsor and you're in Great Britain, different time of day, you might be able to reach me in the morning, late at night, but during the day you got a question. Well, you go into our group, and they can answer the question for you, okay? As your sponsor, I'm always available for questions. And if I am unavailable for a question just because of the time zone, then you just fire inside the group and ask a question. It's pretty easy, okay? Or it's probably actually in the training through IML, okay? So if you want to get on board, please reach out to me. And once you get a link from whoever, that could be me or another sponsor, boom, get started, okay? And then you scroll down here, okay? So there's 2 buttons here. One is become a customer, and one is an IBO, okay? So the IBO is what I am doing. That's helping people get on board with the company. That's the marketing part of it, okay? So if you want to just trade and swipe trades and learn how to trade, then you want to become a customer, okay? Simple as that. You click on that link, you come to an order page, okay? Now, everybody's seen this or anything you might have bought online, okay? So I don't need to go through all this, okay? There are different ways to pay the fees, okay? Skrill, Bitcoin, local bank transfer, and of course, Visa, MasterCard, all that good stuff, okay? So they offer two packages, okay? And actually, for the people that are watching there on my team, I kind of reversed them because I think they reversed it. Because I would always say choose the bottom package. Okay, so for those people, they kind of switched it. So there's two packages. Platinum Package Elite. Okay, now, what gets people involved in signing up for Forex trading through IML, the one hook, so to speak, is obviously the swipe trade. You can start with no money. Okay? I'm sorry, my fault. I made a mistake. You can start with no trading experience in Forex at all. That's the beauty of Swipe Trades app, okay? And that's the beauty of this program. And you can continue to take swipe trades for infinity and make a ton of money and not necessarily know much about the industry except the part where you have to copy in and paste the numbers, okay? So there's two packages. So it depends on what you want to accomplish when you sign up, okay? The first package is the initial payment is $217, and this, of course, includes tax. And then the second payment is $161.50 a month. Okay? This is chump change. Absolute chump change for what you're going to make. Now, the next question I get, even before I even go through these packages, is, okay, am I going to make enough money through swipe trades to make this money back? Okay? Couple factors involved in that. Let me get you back to the big screen and see my lovely face. Okay, couple factors. One, I don't know what your education level is. If you have no education, okay, and you are going to learn Swipe Trades app, we recommend that you demo Swipe Trades when you first become a customer. That could be a day, that could be 2 days, that could be 2 weeks, okay? And the other factor is we don't know how much you're going to start out with your trading account. $100, $500, $1,000, okay? I started with $100 and demoed for a week, and I made the money back from these packages, okay? I'm trying to talk while I'm trying to switch. I made my payment back. I'm an elite. I made it all back, okay? Easily, okay? And I started with $100, okay? But I just focus on swipe trades, okay? People make the mistake that they try to get involved in other things and learn other things. Master one skill and move to another, but that's another video. So anyway, let me go through this, okay? So this is the cheaper package, okay? This includes the harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, which is absolutely fantastic. You are getting 7-figure traders online that you can watch that have TV sessions and will give you trades to make live as well as learning. I'm sorry, that's IML TV, okay? IML Academy, obviously, is the resources and stuff, okay? And daily swing trades, including from our CEO, who gives a daily swing trade, okay? This guy could be sitting on a beach, but he's trying to help you, and he will give you actually a trade every day, okay? That's what's included in this package. Amount, taxes, total. Now, you just remember this point. It does not include the Swipe Trades app. I'll explain in a minute. The second package, Platinum Package Elite, $250 initial payment, $194 month 2 and on, okay? $225, taxes, and of course the total amount. This is what you get with it. The harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, IML TV, daily swing trades, okay? So you get everything from here, but you get the swipe trades, okay? And the web analyzer, okay? The swipe trades and web analyzer, by the way, the web analyzer is fantastic. I mean, it's just absolutely blows you away. You will... I'll do a video here soon on the web analyzer. It's absolutely fantastic. It's kind of a system that dings you when a potential trade is available. It's just a tremendous software. But anyway, these two are add-ons, okay, of $15, Okay? And by the way, with each package, you get swipe coin, which is the crypto, free. But eventually, that's going to be an add-on, okay? Because people are just going to make so much money on it that they have a to charge a teeny bit for it, okay? And I don't know what the price is going to be yet, all right? So anyway, the Swipe Trades app is $15 a month. Now, another question. Can I just sign up for the Swipe Trades app? No. Okay? You have to pick one of these packages. Here is what I tell customers that money's a little bit tight on, okay? Get this package, sign up, make the transaction, pay for it, then go back into your profile, and you can add on things like the web analyzer, eventually the swipe coin, and the swipe trades. You add on swipe trades for $15, okay? That's a month. So you would add on $15 a month to here, and your monthly be $15 here, okay? Now, as you can see, here and here, if you add 15, you're saving some money monthly. This is if you're not interested in the web analyzer, but you might be eventually. But if you're trying to get started, okay, that's what I recommend people do. This package, go back in and add swipe trades. Now, many customers just say, you know what, if I'm all in, I'm all in, and they just get this and they've got it already, okay? So that's what I recommend for people that are tight with money, okay? Then obviously you have to get all this signed up. Now, once you're in, right, here's my number. You can contact me anytime you want. Okay, then your account's created. Once that occurs, once you become a customer, okay, once you've gone back in Swipe Trades app, you reach me again. Okay, you reach me because here's what I do. Remember I told you about the first Facebook group where it's prospective customers and our team that's in there with all kinds of questions and videos and showing you results and stuff like that. You still you can stay in that group forever, whether you're a customer or not customer. Then you reach out to me on Facebook, right? Where's my Facebook page? Real quick. Okay, maybe I don't have it up. Okay. Here we go. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Then you reach me on Facebook and you send me a message right here. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you inside our group that is just our team. Just our team. Every person in the group is an IML customer on our team. And you'll be blown away. Blown away. Okay? That's it in a nutshell. Okay? I encourage you, if you're looking for an opportunity to make money and you become interested in the Forex industry, I encourage you to reach out to me. Okay? I will get you inside the group. You can reach out for my link later. Doesn't matter. Okay? Whatever it takes to get you on board is what my mission is. Okay? Just reach out to me. I'm very easy to reach between YouTube, Facebook. Facebook's the easiest. Okay? You can send me an email. All right? Just reach out to me. Okay? I can't stress enough how good this company is. This company's been around 5 years. Okay? There's all kinds of Forex trading companies out there, individuals trying to give you signals, some free signals, and then charge your signals, okay? If you just want swipe trades and just make the trades and make money, you can do that and make tons. If you want to learn the industry, then this is the right resource for you, okay? You got IML TV people giving you trades. You have the CEO giving you a trade. You have Swipecoin giving you crypto trades currently for the package, either package. You got it for free, okay? And the swipe trades. It just blows you away. It blows every member who becomes one away. That's it for now. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. I answered a couple questions. Now remember, please subscribe to my YouTube. I'm telling you, I'm going to start rolling these out every day. I keep saying this for 3-4 weeks, and I got to do it because I want to help a lot of people, okay? If you want to get on board my newsletter, you're not ready to jump on board, there's a link below there. Please leave any comments, good or bad. I always like the feedback, and I hope you guys have a great day, and please reach out if you want my help. I would love to get you started with IML. Fantastic company, great people, and one heck of a sponsor. That's it. Till next time, thanks.